Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase stock analysis with Facebook Inc. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin increasing your stock analysis skills for Facebook Incorporated, start by gathering essential data. Visit reliable financial news websites or stock market platforms. Look for the latest news impacting Facebook Incorporated. Analyze their quarterly earnings report for insights on performance. Pay attention to key metrics like revenue, profit margins, and user growth. Next, explore Facebook's historical stock performance. Examine trends over the past year, 3 years, and 5 years. Identify significant price movements and correlate them with major news events. Use technical analysis tools for deeper insights. Charts showing moving averages and volume can reveal patterns. Consider utilizing stock screeners to filter data based on your criteria. Set parameters like market capitalization and PE ratios for targeted analysis. Review analyst ratings and price targets for Facebook Incorporated. Compare these with your findings to gauge consensus views. Dive into social media sentiment analysis. Evaluate public opinion and sentiment using platforms like Twitter and Reddit. Monitor user engagement and content related to Facebook's products. Lastly, stay updated with regulatory changes affecting the tech industry. Understanding policies on data privacy and digital advertising is crucial. By following these steps, you can enhance your stock analysis for Facebook Incorporated. Take your time and analyze each aspect thoroughly for better investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.